Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my toolbox. I've already opened it. I thought I had the video running, so Well, I posted a video earlier today with my guns, so just check that out. Just look up Caleb Morgan, and it has a Confederate flag deer hunter sign as the thing. I don't know, but here, without further ado, I'll show you this. That's a router. These, I don't know if you can see that, but right there are some drill bits. This thing is for cutting pipe. Right there. Keys. Okay, just a whole bunch of odd and end stuff. And that one. Alright, ratchet wrenches, metric and non-metric. Some Allen wrenches, midget wrench set. Not picking on midgets, that's literally what it's called. So yeah, some regular wrenches, also metric and non. And here's some. Oh my lord, I forgot what they're called. Oh lordy, I got this upside down. So yeah, turn it upside down if you had it upside down. Okay. Well, moving on. Whole bunch of screwdrivers. All this stuff is Craftsman. I think I might have mentioned that a while ago. I don't know. Here's some more of the wrenches. Yeah, I've been working on a dirt bike, and show that in a little bit. Maybe later I'll show you a different video of me more. Here, if you were wondering, these are pencils, and these are squares. Do not know what these are right here. This is a router, more router bits. Alright, more of that stuff. There's like 3 of these in here, and those are handy little dudes. Another one of these right here. Showed you that in that 3rd drawer up top. Here's some wrenches. Got a crescent wrench in here somewhere. This is a very powerful tool. You can break your arm with this one right here. Here's a this buddy is a handy little dude. It will cut through near about anything right here. Like I said, this is Craftsman. Shout out to Craftsman. They make good tools. And here's like, that's for like grinding stuff. That's for tightening bolts, air hose, some other little thing, battery charger for the thing. Gloves, ratchet, wrenches, clamps, whole bunch of clamps, more Allen wrenches. Oh yeah, here's these things like that I was showing you a while ago. Zip ties, get another set of zip ties. This is a handy thing. It has like 4 different things, but let me take a look at it from the back. Yeah. And if you guess how much, I'm gonna tell you the, here, one second. I'm gonna tell you the ending price I got for it. I got it at a pawn shop, so, like, tell me what you think I got for it. Pause the video and, think what I paid for it. But it came with all those tools, and you saw what it looked like. It's a 3-decker one. It has wheels on the bottom. They lock in place. So pause the video now. Guess what make your guess, and then give you a minute to pause. Alright, so actually I got it for a pretty good deal, actually. I got that all for $4.75. Yeah, I'm very proud. But yeah, I got a very good deal. Here's my dirt bike over here I purchased. You know, ain't in the best condition, but you know, gotta start somewhere, you know. So there's my brothers, there's my bike. But yeah, here it is. This is the dirt bike. Yeah, more ratchet wrenches I need to put up. But yeah, if you could leave a like down below. Thanks for just the views, you know. And well, see you later.